Can I pass? Hey, what? So much traction. Later Apex, got you.
Arturos, ACH.
What were you running before that? The C4?
I was running.
Welcome back everybody. We're in beautiful Sonoma Raceway once again. We got a track day today with Joe. Got a couple people pulling up. Homie AJ's already here with his crazy 350R. I think it's an R. If it's not, it might as well be. Insane aero. Beautiful Apex wheels on there. And so Joe's out here, second track day ever. He's driving his Vette. We'll have in-car footage with him, with his instructor, kind of showing you guys what to expect over your first couple track days. Kind of see how they coach you and get you adjusted to the track and do it in a safe way. We're gonna be meeting up with those guys over there, try and catch a ride along or see if we can get the ghost mount on there again. Because that video went crazy last time. Y'all seem to really enjoy that, so I'll try and hook that up again. And then one of the gentlemen on the far left with the red hat over there, T-Mark. We're also gonna see him talk to you guys. Those of you who've been wanting to get out here, figure it out. He's the one to demystify it for you. So, should be a good day. Got lots to do. And we'll tap in with you soon. What's up guys? We're out here with AJ and his insane 350. Is it a 350R?
350.
It's basically an R though, right? At this point. What you got done to it, bro?
So I've got most of the aero is by Varus Engineering. Ambassador for them. So I have their front splitter, I have their upper canard. My lower canard is Archetype Racing. I have their fender evacuation kit. They're the only company that harps on a major aerodynamic flaw that the 350s have, and it's that gap that's right behind the wheel well in the front. So they created a kit that allows the air to, instead of hitting the wall behind the wheel, it just glides along the bottom. Also, I have their rear diffuser, and what's up next is their flat underbody kit. When they look at aerodynamics, they think about, you know, what's on top of the car, but a lot of the time, it's what's under the car. You want that air, that low pressure air to flow very fast and very smooth. If you've ever seen the bottom of the 992 GT3 RS, it's almost completely flat.
It like sucks it down, right?
Yes, and it has canards on the bottom of it. Pretty much a diffuser from front to back. And that allows it to run super high downforce without a big front splitter.
Nice.
It just makes it really efficient. So for wheels, I'm running 19x11 square Apex SM10.
Shout out Apex.
Yeah, shout out to Apex. On Nanking CRSs.
Beautiful.
Yeah, 305, 30, or 19 square. Shout out to OP Mustang for letting this wheel install to be possible with their spacers, their extended studs, and their open lug nuts.
What you got inside? I see the yellow goes throughout, bro.
Yeah, so inside, I wanted to stick with the yellow accents, so I had to find some SFI approved 3-inch harnesses. I couldn't find any anywhere. I ended up on this JDM website and found these, and they're SFI approved up until December of next year, so I should be good till then.
Money, okay. And you actually drive your car too, huh?
Yes, yes.
So,
not a show car by any means. She definitely has her battle scars, but you know, Carol Shelby said you're supposed to drive it, not just look at it when it's all cute and pretty.
Absolutely. And this is the main piece, obviously, bro.
Yes, it's an APR GT350 with Singular Motorsports end plates. I just added a little yellow flare on the back end, and I put an F22 on there because this car glides like a fighter jet.
Okay. Yeah, bro, this is mean. We're a ways off from this, but definitely get some good inspiration.
Yeah, and then this first session I sit on the passenger side with you. Not your first time, have similar cars, similar handling. I'll sit with you on the first session, the second we'll see how it goes. In the afternoon we can do some fun exercises.
Yeah, that'd be good. I'd love to follow this thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Really get in your line. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. So it will help you follow me and I follow you, so I can give you inputs on your line. And for us it will be fun because we have 2 high horsepower cars, so we'll make
Let's have some fun. Let's stay.
No need to brake here, just lift.
Okay.
Lift. I only brake here. Sometimes I don't even brake. Just third gear, apex. Barely, yeah. Apex here, stay a little while. wider, look for that apex there, accelerating already. If you get the turns right before the straights right, you're gonna pick up a lot more speed. Here you don't have to look for that apex, just a little wider. I don't like to go too wide. And now you look for these apexes, then you start accelerating already. And you use the whole track. Very smooth. Just barely kiss the rumble strips there. Stay out a little more, most people don't, and then you start accelerating out. Yeah, tap that apex all the way out. And you're gonna pick up a lot of speed again here. So here, apex.
Off a little bit and gas out. You're good. Have fun.
Thank you. Try to avoid hitting that yellow curb because it will just throw you off.
Okay.
Get close to it, but don't touch it.
Okay.
Yeah, here, very nice. Stay there, stay there. Now start closing in slowly. Yep, you want to hit it perfect. Right now, nice and slowly. Stay a little later because then you can start gassing before you even hit the apex there. There's so much track here.
Later apex, got you.
Wait for it. Doesn't have the yellow yet, but they may call you in because it's the first lap.
Gotcha.
He should be holding the yellow there. So when you hit the apex, you can already start accelerating in the middle of the turn.
The clutch is sticking. Feel right. Can I pass?
What? Stay there, stay. Now you're turning left.
Ah, yeah.
Go all the way, so stay a little farther, and when you go into the left turn, you're like that.
Clutch isn't happy. I don't know if it's gonna last me today.
Well, Joe's back. I just got out of the 350 Super Duty over there. There's nothing better. There's nothing better than a track day. So that was tight. We're gonna come in. I got all my camera gear with me, so we gotta loose up, and then I'll tap back in with you guys once we're settled down. Just the man I was looking for. How you doing, bro?
Good.
How was that first session?
Killed it, bro. So I actually got to do a quick hot lap around with him, my instructor. He's actually driving out here today.
On the C8?
I got to go on the C8.
Nice.
It's a big brother of mine.
Yeah.
But my first little session out there was good. Got to get a good feel for the track. Fortunately, I lined up a little late, so I had to do a lot of passing, but learning the passing lanes out there. I'm very confident in that now, and as well, I just have.
Distracting my interview over here. Leave him alone.
Learned a couple good spots where to really track out, where to hit my late apexes, where to hit my early apexes and stuff. Very confident when I go back out there. I'm pretty excited.
Nice. Right on, bro. And what are we looking at as far as moving up, maybe?
So he's talking about moving me up to HPD 2.
Okay.
Which in that case I would do a lead follow. Not sure if we're gonna do that the next session or maybe the third session.
Okay.
I would like to go with him one more time. Once we have a dry track out there, and I can really push the car and see what it does.
Right on. We got the ghost mount set up for your next session, so expecting good things. Let's get some passes.
I'm looking forward to racing that safety truck.
And racing or following?
And so there was some guys in the download meeting, and they were like, yeah, he was out there with his lights off, and I couldn't pass him if I wanted to.
we passed probably 6 people. Good shit. So that was session 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the POV from Joe's helmet over there. Boy Vizcardo showed up. How are we feeling today, Rick?
Stellar. How's it going, everybody?
What are you doing today?
I'm distracted, bro. I got this beautiful Datsun pulling up here. I mean, I've seen more beautiful Datsuns in my time, but that one there's got me thinking.
Got you thinking what?
Well, I guess we'll find out.
Little teaser there. Hope you guys are enjoying. I got a photography vest today, so I'm hoping we should be able to go over through the S's and get on the inside of the fence. There's a lot happening today. It's hard to keep track of everything. I might have to split this into a couple of videos, honestly, with everything that's going on. Walk in here real quick, see what's going on at the track. This is drive track time that's out right now. But nothing crazy. Just another blessed day. I think they're running spec E30, spec E46, and spec Miata today. There's kind of a lot happening. But yeah, you guys know how it is, so I'll take you along for the ride. Hope you enjoy, and let's keep it moving. The new audio setup. Tom showed up. Oh boy, things have escalated quickly here, huh?